Dun dun dun! Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to board the Jurassic Jungle Boat Ride in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We've been here for the Smoky Mountains Bronco Stampede. What a day. It's been an amazing day. Look at that. We're across the street from the Comedy Barn Theater. Palm trees in Tennessee? Maybe at one time. So there's always a line here. These people here are always waiting in line for the flying dinos, sea monsters on the Dino Boat Ride. It's now open. What a ride. Some people say it's like a rite of passage to ride the Jurassic Jungle Boat Ride. If so, we're here for our passage in life. Look at the fog coming out of the smoke coming out of the, I guess that's a volcano? It's a volcano tree. Maybe it's a tree that the top burned off of it. Look. Oh yeah. All right, cool. So we went to harrythebronco.com and let him know that, hey, we'll be right back, buddy. It looks like, yeah, we can't. We have to ride with these people. They've been here for a while. I think they were here the last time I rode. Look at that guy, like really. That's kind of cool what she's got on right there. What is that?
It looks like a leather corset.
Huh. Do women hunt dinos in leather corsets?
Apparently.
The Jeep invasion's next week and the ducks are already showing up. All right. Front two seats are ours. It's going to be exciting. Oh yeah. Man, hope we can handle this. Watch out, duck.
I like that exit sign.
Oh, check it out. think there's a meteor coming. Is that a meteor coming? Or did it already hit? Well, the ambulance lights are already on, so it must have already hit.
Uh-oh. Oh, it's a velociraptor.
Oh, it's going to spit on him.
I hope not.
It might. Dude looks like he's got a headache. Oh, he's about to be lunch. Oh. Okay, seriously, this place has been updated. You gotta come ride this. At least he knows where the exit is.
I mean, you know.
It wasn't Disney World, but it was worth 20 bucks. The longer they keep you on the ride, the bigger the line gets.
Put him around the corner to put a house in a block.
Oh! There's that snake. Wow. Wait a minute. What's this guy? He's there. We can see him. I know he's there.
Oh, there goes a snake.
He's gonna jump in. Oh, no? No. Really? That must be what you get at a $25 ride. Man, that was absolutely cool. I'm glad I did it.
We do it.
You guys enjoy that?
Y'all enjoy it? We did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's such a blast. Man, those people, I still believe, they've been waiting too long. Well, did you enjoy that?
I did.
Did you enjoy that?
Absolutely.
5 stars. 100% Yelp rating, yo.
I'd give it 10.
All right, we'll see you guys in the funny papers. Have a good one.
Good night, everybody.
Bye.